Welcome to the Monday Makers channel.
We work at an Israeli tech company called Monday.com, and I think we actually landed the best job in the world.
We work on projects that are supposed to make the office a smarter office, more useful, more fun. Typically, I take more of the tech side. I do software, electronics, robotics, multimedia.
I'm more of product design, 3D printing, manufacturing, woodworking, metalworking, casting.
And we make everything here in our Fab Lab. I'll give you some examples of things that we do. We built the Doorman, which is a system that manages guests that arrive to the building. We designed the actual physical workstations that all the employees work on. We built smart buttons that, for example, order pizza. We built a dancing rat show. We made a cookie dispensing machine. We're gonna walk you through the process of how we brainstorm, design, and implement every project. Or if you have an idea for how to improve office space, make it more fun, more productive, let us know so we can gear our future videos to things that interest you.